Okay, so today I'm going to talk about how to link the financial to execution. So what are the activities you do each day? And the tool that I'm going to use today is called the Function Accountability Chart, and it is from Scaling Up. And it's a great book, and I'd recommend everyone to read it. And I'll put a link to where you can download the chart on their website. They're very generous and allow anyone to use their stuff. And so why you want to use the Function Accountability Chart when you're linking the financial execution? Because it provides alignment. So you're only focusing on the activities that link back to the financial. So it will help you get rid of the activities that aren't increasing the financial performance. It then also highlights, are there any gaps in your leadership? Is someone spread too thin? So if someone got a lot of roles that are in charge of, and then there may be someone who doesn't have many at all. Or maybe there are some things of accountability that no one's actually looking at the moment. And so, and that leads us down to the third thing: are all financial line items accounted for? So is every line item in the profit and the profit and loss, the income statement and the balance sheet, is there someone who's accountable who's for each of those lines? And so the way that it works is you'll have a function, and so let's just say sales. Then you'll have someone who is being held accountable, and let's just say it's Jane is accountable, and so then you'll have your KPIs. So what are some of the leading indicators? So it might be website hits, leads generated, and then what are the results? Are the line items in your profit and loss or your balance sheet? So in this case, it could be your sales and or your cost of goods sold, whatever. And so you want to make sure that once you're finished filling it all out, that you've got all your functions covered, and then you've got all your lines in your profit and loss and your balance sheet covered. And then you've only got a couple of indicators for each of these things, and that there is someone accountable for each line and each function, and that there's not, unless you're in a small business, everyone does, and you have to do everything yourself. But there's not someone who's got a whole heap, and there's not someone who has nothing. So this is it's a great tool for just bringing more accountability and linking your activities back to your financials. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.